Last look at the Disneyland Hotel. We're getting ready to check out. Disneyland off in the distance. Don't tell her that. There's Space Mountain and there's something.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Disneyland. We're now traveling across our 100-acre parking area toward the Disneyland main entrance. For those of you visiting us for the first time, Disneyland is made up of 7 themed lands, featuring more than 100 attractions, shops, and restaurants. To make the most of your visit with us, Disneyland offers several ticket plans. Single-day and multi-day passports are available, as well as a guided tour. This tram regularly travels to and from the Disneyland Hotel at West Street bus stop until 1/2 hour past Disneyland closing. You may also travel to the hotel aboard a Disneyland monorail, which departs from Tomorrowland. If you wish to leave Disneyland and return later in the day, please have your hands stamped as you exit. This is the Disneyland main entrance. Please wait until we come to a complete stop before disembarking. Thank you, and we hope your visit to Disneyland is a happy one.
Hold on to me, please. Watch the stroller. It's a train station. Space here, Ferris wheel. And there's beauty and flowers. There's Dad and Dylan. There's Binky saying round and round on the Ferris wheel. And there's that grin. Yeah. I have to get some behind shots of Bob. Huh?
Ladies and gentlemen, the park will be opening at 10 o'clock. For your enjoyment, Main Street shops and restaurants are now open.
I'm coming, I'm coming. No, I got your rear end. Hi, Dylan. Dylan. Hi. Hi, guys.
What's that doing? Dylan.
Dylan. Hey, Dylan. Last day at Disneyland. Hi, Bing.
Dad, brother.
State Fair Ferris wheel. Hi, Bob.
Hi.
Don't put your head down.
Huh?
Don't put your head down.
Yeah, you're
No, because you can't see my baby.
The other one, so
I think we're ready. Playing on the field. Yeah, that's the Wicked Queen.
yes, what?
Yeah, we have to do it real quick, honey. The man's being... So yeah, the 7 dwarfs. And they're mine. Who's Dad?
This is home. This is home.
The lady said she wanted to get some pictures of that one because that's where all our money is.
Oh, I know.
Bye-bye, Disneyland.
Your hand.
Okay, I'm going to make sure we all
Bye-bye.
You'll probably be back in about 7 months. There's the Disneyland Hotel up there.
Where it all started.
Yeah.